Good morning, everyone. As you know, there was some homework yesterday, just like exercise 1.4. So, let's recall the solution of difficult questions first. Exercise 1.4, question number 8. 2550 minus open bracket of big bracket 510 minus open bracket of middle bracket 270 minus open bracket of a small bracket 90 minus 80 plus 70 upon vinculum, and at last the close bracket of a smallest, middle and larger bracket. Okay, now move on solution. In this question there is vinculum, so all of you solve the part of vinculum first, and another all things write the same, just like 2550 write the same, minus open bracket of 510 write the same, minus open bracket of middle bracket write the same, 270 write same, minus same. Now the solution of vinculum, 90 write the same, minus 80 plus 70 what gives 150, that's why write 150. Then after close bracket of a small bracket, close bracket of middle bracket, and at last the close bracket of big bracket, and then the same rule you follow. 2550 minus the open bracket of big bracket 510 minus the open bracket of middle bracket, then after followed by 270 minus the result of 90 minus 150 gives minus 60, and then after the close brackets of middle brackets and larger brackets. Now earlier you know that सबसे पहले हमें किसको सॉल्व करना है, लाइन ब्रैकेट्स को, उसके बाद स्मॉल ब्रैकेट्स को, उसके बाद बिग ब्रैकेट्स को, और एट लास्ट हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा. तो इसी तरीके से हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 और 10 को यहाँ सॉल्व किया है, जिसे आप खुद देख के समझ सकते हैं. एंड आफ्टर दैट इफ यू हैव फाइंड एनी difficulty, then you can contact me. Now move on, question number 13. The explanation of question number 13. Using brackets, write a mathematical expression for each of the following. 9 multiplied by the sum of 2 and 5. 2 and 5, it means 2 plus 5, with open bracket of a small bracket and close bracket of a small bracket here needed, that's why the brackets are here, and multiplied by 9, so write 9 before. You already know that if a symbol of bracket given and earlier if you put any number, then you can multiply. So this is the answer of 13, question number 13, one number. Now move on 6. 2 multiplied by 1 less than the difference of 19 and 6. So first write the difference of 19 minus 6 with a small bracket, minus 1 right, and you already know that a small brackets are covered with middle bracket, that's why middle brackets are here, and before 2, because you already know that brackets multiplied with any number, so your answer come in this way, 2 middle bracket, after that 19 minus 6 with a small bracket, minus 1, and then close bracket of middle bracket. That's your answer. And the homework of today